Okay, so here it says, at Isaac's bookstore, 0.45 hundredths of the shelves are comics. So this relates to shelves that are comics. What fraction is equivalent to the amount of comics Isaac has on his shelves? So this, we want to know how many comics that Isaac has on those shelves and the fraction equivalent. Okay, so they gave us, the only information they gave us was 0.45. Okay, hundredths. So remember here in this one is our tenths. And usually when you see me label this, I'm going to write it as a T, okay? So let me write that in pink. So this one's going to be T, okay? So the 5 right here, this one means hundredths. Hundred. So hundredths, okay? And this one, I will label it in pink as well. So this one, I'm going to put H, okay? So the cool thing about decimals is that it's going to always tell me the fraction. So when I say the number correctly, it should tell me the fraction. So this, when I rewrite it as my fraction, okay, this is going to be my numerator, the 0.45 hundredths. So instead of putting the point, the decimal point, I'm just going to write 45 over. I stopped at what word? Hundreds. So that means it's over 100. Okay. So once I write that, okay, I need to simplify my fraction. Do not forget to simplify your fraction. So now here, I need to simplify both numbers, okay? By what number? So if I look at my last number on both, they end in a 5 and a 0. If I try to remember my divisibility rules that you guys should have remembered in elementary, if it ends at a 5 or a 0, that means it's divisible by 5. Okay, so then if I do 45 divided by 5, 5 can go into 4, but 5 can go into 45 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45, and I should get 0. So this is equal to 9 over. So now I have my 100 to work with. 100 divided by 5. Can 5 go into 1? No, so I have to put a 0. Can 5 go into 10? Yes, how many times? Twice, because if I go down the line, it's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, and I'm going to stop there. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. So 10, I subtract, and I should get 0. Because I have the 0 right here, this one right here, I need to continue it. Can 5 go into 0? No, so I have to put a 0. 5 times 0 is 0. I subtract, and I get 0. So then my denominator has to be 20. Okay? Then from here, right, I have 9 over 20. So if I look at this right here, I need to check, can I simplify even further? So then if I look at my 9 and I look at my 20, I need to check if I can simplify really fast. So 1 times 9 is 9. I can't do 2. I can do 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Can I do 4? No. Can I do 5? No. And then I'm going to stop there because we can't do 6 or 7 or 8. So for 20, I have 1 times 20. And then 2 times 10, right, should give me 20. 3 should not give me 20, but 4 does give me 20. 4 times 5. I'm going to write this 4 better. 4 times 5. Okay, so if I look here from what I have so far, right, the only number that I have that matches is the 1. The 3's don't match and nothing else matches. So if I divide by 1, it's going to give me itself. So this is the last fraction that I have that's equivalent to 0.45 hundredths. So I'm going to write right here is 0.45